Before we dive into working with the image files, let's quickly set up the Photoshop workspace so that all of the panels we'll be needing are right in front of us. Usually, my workspace looks like this, but it is no good for working with colors and toning images. If you have set up your workspace and it works fine for your day-to-day tasks, it's a good idea to save these settings so that you can easily load your favorite workspace afterwards. If you haven't saved your custom workspace already, go to the menu window, Workspace, and select New Workspace. In this dialog box, give your workspace a descriptive name. For me, this is my standard workspace, so this is how I will call it. If you have customized shortcuts, menus, or toolbar, you can also save these settings by ticking the boxes here. Click Save when you're ready to proceed. Now you can find this workspace in the Workspace menu. User-defined workspaces will be in the top section here. Now, as I have saved my standard workspace, I can start rearranging the panels for more efficient toning workflow. Depending on the size of your screen, you can arrange all necessary panels differently. But in my case, as I am working on a laptop, I usually stack a few open panels on the right-hand side of my workspace. So I'll drag this whole group out of the way and put swatches here instead. Then we'll be using the Properties panel a lot, so I'll put it here. And put adjustments on the side here. Then, at the bottom, I will keep layers. So these are 3 essential panels for the task. If you cannot locate them in your workspace, open them up from the window menu and put them open in front of you. We'll also need Adobe Color Themes extension, or Adobe Color as it was called in some previous versions. So go to the menu window, Extensions, and select Adobe Color Themes here. You can keep this panel collapsed on the side like this, as we won't be using it as much as the other panels. When you're done rearranging a new workspace, make sure to save it too. I will call mine Toning. Now it is also available on the list, so it will be easy to get to these panels in future. Now, as we've got the workspace sorted, we can open an image which we want to tone. I'm going to use this photograph of Dominic I took a few years ago. Photographs, or any other types of photorealistic images, are extreme in terms of the color information they contain, and they usually require more work than other types of images, so this one is great for demonstration. But you can go ahead and use anything you want: photographs, digital art, scans of drawings, textures, or any found graphics. You can even quickly snap a selfie against a plain background and use it for this class project. Portraits look great as duotones, but again, you decide and open any image you want to experiment with. And let's get on with preparing images for toning.